Welcome back to my channel, and this is the house update. All right, so I forgot that I'm gonna make YouTube videos about this. So I went to the store, I went to Home Depot, and I'm trying to test out colors for the house. I'm not sure exactly what kind of vibe I'm going for exactly just yet. We'll see. But here goes some of the tests, like some of the colors that I'm testing out. This one is called, what is it? Mango Nectar. This is for the front room when you first walk in. I don't know how I feel about it. But this room's supposed to be like where I'm gonna put a whole bunch of plants in, like a nice little seating area. It's supposed to be peaceful. It's supposed to give off a peaceful vibe. So, what you guys think?
What you think? Like that?
We're gonna paint this wall over here to start off, and then we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I'm gonna paint the border white, the same white that I'm using on the wall. At first I was thinking about, should I use a different color so it could be a different variant of color or whatever. But, you know, I'm just gonna paint it the white that I have now and see how it looks. And if I don't like it, maybe I'll paint it another color later. But I do think that getting rid of this wood color will update the house a bit. I'll show you the afterwards. Okay, so this is how it's looking so far. The paint job itself is terrible, okay? Of course, I'm gonna have to go over it. You see, probably my paintbrush is not that good as well. You see the paintbrush marks and stuff like that, and it's not even. But I think I see the vision. I think I see it. All right, so after my YouTube search on how to paint a fireplace, I mean, you would think, oh, just paint it. No, I want to whitewash it. So with whitewash, I'm going to add water to the paint. So basically, I got this bucket from the garage. I'm going to add, first I'm gonna clean it out first, and then I'm going to add water to the paint. They say do like half and half, so I'll probably, if I add 8 ounces of water, I'll add 8 ounces of paint, you know, something like that. And then once, you know, you just paint a little bit at a time, you get a rag, and you get that rag, so you paint it over it, and then you wipe it down with the rag. So that's exactly what I'm about to do, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so we did a little bit of it. I mean, it's no going back anyway, so, but what y'all thinking? Now, I know, the brick is nice, which is why I want to whitewash it to still see some of the color of the brick. I think it's gonna come out nice. Okay, it is all done. I did the slab. I didn't do the creases. I left the creases black. You know, I'm gonna see what it looks like in the daytime. I'm sure that we still gonna like it this way, but you know, I'm gonna let it sit and be like, okay, whether I want to do it more white, do the creases white, or whatever I want to do to it. But here it is. It definitely brights up the room, but it's like, does it go with the room? Like, I mean, yes, it does, but I just can't wait to get my couch. Anyway, just look at we're talking about the fireplace right now. Look at the fireplace, it looks nice, right? Okay. All right, so it's the next day, and I think that I don't really like it as much. Well, I do and I don't. I like it for itself, but I don't like it for this room. So now I am going to first paint the creases, the black creases, and see how I feel about that. But eventually I kind of plan to make it all white, but I gotta get the creases anyway. So I'll just paint that first and then step back and see if it's just the black lines that I'm not liking. And yeah, we're gonna see how that looks. Alright, so I'm making progress. Slow progress, but progress. I mean, I know it's kind of sloppy right now, but y'all can see where it's coming from. I brightened up the bricks already. And I don't know, like, what are y'all thinking? My head is all over the place. But I know this is gonna be fine. All done. I painted the slab white too because, well, first of all, paint had dripped on it, so I was like, oh, guess I'm gonna paint this. So I painted the slab, I mean that thing right there. And so now we had a mantle up there, which is this. We're going to stain it. I'm not sure if it's going to be the perfect color, but the goal is to stain it to a darker color so it can match the beams up there. So I want this to match that, and I think it'll bring a nice look to the fireplace with like a dark brown mantle. And if that doesn't work out, maybe I'll buy another mantle, but I'm trying not to just be buying things, so let's try to work with this. Okay, looking good. Now it took me a long time to put this together because the directions, it was just so small. I didn't know what they was talking about, and I don't know, maybe I'm a little slow, but you know, it really wasn't that bad. It's just that I had a hard time differentiating what they were saying. But it looks good though, guys. Coming together. This is the rug in the morning. Should I keep this rug? This room is supposed to be like a plant room. It's supposed to be like a vibe room. I want to get kind of like a rug that has color to it. Does this have enough color, or should it be more vibrant? You know, I don't know. She's so happy. I'm such a bad blogger. Like, I need to get better. But listen, I bought this plant. It's fake. Bought it from Target. Okay. I don't know. I haven't set up the whole room yet. I'm just trying things out, right? Bought these 2 ottomans from Target. Bought the tree from Home Goods. And yeah, that's pretty much how far I made it so far. Just trying to see, like, catch a vibe. Definitely need more plants. But yeah. I'll remember next time to take you guys on my next adventures. The goal is to fill this room. I'm gonna put the hookah in here. Like, it's just gonna be a vibe. If y'all can kind of see where I'm going with this. And this, I have no idea where, I don't know. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this corner as of right now. All right, so I am staining slash painting because I have a paintbrush. This door, now this door is a beautiful color already by itself, but because of we had to fix the door and patch it up right here, we had to change the lock from right here to up here to make the new locks fit, and so had no choice but, you know, to paint over it.
Enough to sell. Cut that shit up.